We are in the East Clear Creek watershed. This is one of our most at-risk watersheds because our dam here is completely surrounded by ponderosa pine forest that are in an unhealthy state. With increasing temperatures, we're having increasing variability with droughts, and unhealthy forest has fuel for large catastrophic wildfires. So we adopted a 2035 goal to support 500,000 acres of forest thinning. Now this is unprecedented since no utility in the United States has taken on a forest health goal. It's going to take a lot of science and tech and data. And so when we begin our forest thinning projects, the trees will become more drought tolerant. OpenET will help us have data to inform how our forest thinning projects are reacting to those climate change impacts that we're seeing today.